Hey guys, let's make super soft idiyappam in an easy method. So without any delay, we'll start the process. For this, I have soaked half cup of rice for 4 hours and add salt and water. Grind it to a batter as shown in the video. The batter should be of watery consistency. Now place this bowl on stove and cook on medium flame until it reaches the dough-like consistency. Now switch off the stove and let the batter becomes warm. Meanwhile, we'll grease the idiyappam maker with some oil. And here I am using idli stand for making idiyappams. So I am greasing idli stand with some oil so that the idiyappam will come out easily while after cooking. So here you can use even small plates, grease with some oil and make idiyappams. Otherwise, if you have idiyappam maker, you can even use that. Now grease your hand with some oil and mix the dough for 2 to 3 minutes. Here the kneading is very important in making idiyappam, because if you knead it nicely, then only our idiyappam will be soft. Otherwise it will become dry after cooking. Even beginners can make this idiyappam in this method. It will come out very soft and mouth melting. You also try at your home and let me know in the comment how it came out. Here place the dough in the idiyappam maker. So here, as shown in the video, you have to make the idiyappams. Here itself you can see the consistency is perfect, because if the dough consistency is not perfect, then our idiyappams will get break while making them into shapes. So steam them for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Once it cool down, you can enjoy it with kurma, chutney, sambar, any side dish of your choice. So this is very healthy and grandma recipe, guys. You also try and let me know if you like the video. Don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.